On this video, we're going to talk about the best online businesses to start for 2018 and also for 2019. Coming up. Now, before we get started, if it's your first time on my channel or on one of my videos, well, welcome. My name is Billy Inellis, full-time online entrepreneur, helping others to become and to be the same. Now, my channel is all about affiliate marketing, making money online, working from home, entrepreneurship, and marketing. If this is what you're all about, I invite you to subscribe right now to my channel by hitting the big red button right now, right underneath this video. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get instant notifications for when I upload new videos on my channel. And I do so on a weekly and oftenly on a daily basis, and I don't want you to miss out on them. All right. So if it's not your first time on my channel or on one of my videos, well, welcome back. So what are the best businesses that you can start online even if you are a beginner? Well, that's exactly what I want to share with you on this video. Now, the first one that I would recommend as one of the best online business to start is number one, FBA. Okay. And you know, the reason the FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. I'm pretty sure that if you're watching this, you may have bought something from Amazon before, or you've heard of Amazon, right? Well, regular people like you and I, they go and they buy products in bulk that they can actually ship to Amazon. And they're going to list that on the Amazon website. And when somebody buys, well, Amazon just goes out, they ship out the product to the person that bought, right? So it's a similar business model as e-commerce or drop shipping, except that you're going to directly deal with Amazon. And that's pretty cool because you don't necessarily have to store products in your garage or in your house or at a warehouse, right? You can just send items in bulk, popular items, trending items that, you know, people buy a lot, right? You can send them to Amazon and they fulfill the orders in-house within Amazon. All right. Now, the second one that I would recommend is online courses. Okay, so if you have an expertise in anything, you can actually put a course together that can be hosted online digitally that people can have access to, right? And one of the books that I would recommend in order to do that effectively is a book called Expert Secrets by Russell Brunson. I'm gonna leave a link around this video in the resources so that you can get access to it. It's actually free. You just pay for shipping to get it shipped to your door, actually the physical book, right? Pretty cool book to have. Okay, so you want to share some information that you know can be valuable or helpful for people, you can put that in a course and sell it. And it's a pretty highly profitable business, especially if you're going to have some content that you're going to put inside of your digital course that can help people. And what's cool about courses as well is that in most cases, you don't need to have the courses completed in order to start selling it, right? You can sell a course, and as people are coming in, you can do it in a live scenario where you are delivering the content live to the audience that bought. This way you are getting paid for creating the product, and as you're going along teaching what you're teaching inside of your course that you actually laid out and structured before you start teaching it, right? You're going to get some feedback, and you can tweak and arrange and actually deliver what your audience actually wants, and it's going to make it better for the people that are going to buy after this actually went live, that you recorded your course, put it all together in the membership site while you were delivering it, right? So it could be like a 8-week masterclass, 6-week masterclass that you can put inside of a course, and over a 6-week period for the first few buyers, you're actually delivering the content before the content inside the product is actually created. So that's pretty cool. Now, the last one that I'm going to share on this video, because I don't want to make it too long and I want to give you great ideas for you to go implement. The third one is not only affiliate marketing. Okay, so affiliate marketing is, you know, you can go out there and you can actually promote or recommend other people's products, right? So for example, for Amazon, you can go on Amazon and you can become an associate for Amazon, to where you're promoting products that are on the platform as an affiliate, right? So if you don't want to do FBA, you can actually be an affiliate of products that are inside of the Amazon platform, right? And you can also promote other people's courses. If there's a course that you went through that you really like, and there's an affiliate platform or affiliate setup attached to the course, you can go ahead and be an affiliate and you can recommend it to other people. This is why I love affiliate marketing, because you can go ahead and just be the middleman. You can just bridge the gap and you can refer or recommend a product, service, software, or opportunity to other people, and you just bridge the gap right there. You're just in the middle. You're just in the middle right there, and you get compensated by people buying through your link. And that's why you're always gonna find some affiliate links surrounding my video, because I can recommend some stuff to you that I know that has been useful for me first, and then I can put you on to them. And I get compensated for that. And it can be the same thing for you. So if you don't want to go and buy products in bulk from a distributor that Amazon is going to fulfill for you, maybe you don't want to create a course. Well, you can be an affiliate for courses, or you can be an affiliate for other products that you're going to refer or recommend to other people, and you get compensated for that. All right. So those are the best online businesses that you can start for 2018 going on 2019 also. And those business models are never really going to go away. So this is why I wanted to share them with you, right? And if you get some value from my video right here, make sure that you give me the thumbs up right now, and you like this video. And if you have feedback that you want to leave me, maybe you have some questions or concerns, you can just leave them below in the comment section right now. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because my channel is all about making money online, working from home, affiliate marketing, entrepreneurship, and marketing strategies, tips, and tricks that you can use to effectively run your business online. So don't forget to subscribe. Hit the big red button below right now, and hit the bell icon to instantly get notifications for as soon as I upload new videos. And before I leave, I want to leave you with the #1 affiliate program that you can join for free right now. Okay, it's a super affiliate bootcamp training that shows how you can possibly retire in 100 days with passive income as a super affiliate of a pretty popular software that can help build passive income. And inside of this, free bootcamp training, it shows you exactly the strategies and the steps that you have to take to get there, right? So just imagine for a second, you implement some strategies in 100 days, and at the end of that, you have passive income that can help you retire. All right. So you're going to find that right underneath this video in the link that I left, right? And in the event that you complete step #1 on day 1, you're going to get bonuses from me on top of gaining access to the free bootcamp training that's going to show you how to do that. You just have to be in contact with me. You just have to email me. You'll get my contact details to show me that you completed those steps, and I'm going to give you access to my bonuses right then and there. All right. So with that said, this was Billy Nellis here. I'm going to sign out now, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.